anyone having an acute lower back pain or any severe back pain definitely should take advices of their doctors first before they attempt to do this kind of exercises. Okay, and since there are a series of asanas which will involve the different kinds of bending also, that definitely will increase your blood circulations. And so anyone who is a patient of hypertension, cardiac or BP, they should definitely avoid doing this. Okay, and we'll try to do as much as this exercise which will help to all the people in all different various ways, and also help to address your chronic lower back pain. Again, I would say anyone who is having a back pain should definitely take their doctor's advices, and they should do it with utter careful. Okay, the instructions should be followed very properly, and you should first of all listen to your body. Okay, so if your body says or it resists, okay, and it says no, then that is the place that where you have to stop. And the basic definition of asana is sthiram sukham asanam. So any position where you are comfortable is your last position, and that is the asana position. Okay, so don't try to look at pictures and try to focus on coming yourself or bringing yourself, your body into that particular position to show the perfection. No, that is completely wrong. Don't follow this kind of articles where they don't say anything about the contraindication of the asana, the background of the person who should be doing it, who should not be doing it. So make sure that whenever you try to attempt doing any kind of exercises, a particular advices from the experts are very much required, and it is better again advisable to connect with your doctors and take their advices too. Okay, so I'm here today to with a series of asanas which are completely focusing on our lower back pain. Okay, and that will also help to strengthen the rest of the body with it. Okay, so let's start. So guys, I am creating this video for the lower back pain. I am doing it in 4 different positions. That is, one is standing, sitting, supine, and then prone position. Now I have selected at least 3 to 4 asanas in each of this position in which I am going to do this asana. So my advice is you first try to do the first exercise or the first asana, okay, and see if you are comfortable to take up the next one in each of these position. And then basically as you go on increasing the comfortability and flexibility, then I would suggest you take up the next advanced asana in each of these positions. Don't try to jump into these asanas quickly. Wherever you are comfortable, you try to do that. Okay, and hold on to whatever is the comfort position for yourself, and then you proceed further. And now my advice, again, another advice is like basically that any asana that you do, you have to at least make sure that as you progress day by day, you try to put more stretch, okay, acceptable stretch, and then see how you are increasing further day by day and progressing to get to that near to that perfect position of the asana. And that definitely will give you the comfort level and the extreme benefit of that particular asana for your lower back. Okay, so take my advice and slowly progress it further. Don't try to do that on the same day. Okay.